Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to automatically order supplies when your inventory runs low using the n8n connected with the Shopify with if logic and email or the supplier API. This automation ensures your store never runs out of products by monitoring current inventory in Shopify, checking which items fall below your minimum stock threshold, and automatically creating a restock order via email or API request and notifying your purchasing team. This is perfect for e-commerce stores, dropshippers, warehouses, and fulfillment agencies that want to save time and eliminate manual reordering. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the Shopify node, get products. Its purpose is to retrieve your current Shopify inventory to monitor stock levels. It fetches all your products and their stock quantity so you can identify which are below your restock limit. Okay, after that you have the if node. His purpose is to identify which products are below your reorder thresholds. So you have this value JSON variant inventory quantity. If it's smaller than 5, we'll go to the true branch. If not, the workflow stops. So we'll filter only those products that have fewer than 5 units in stock. After that, you have the set node to prepare the order data. That will create a structure message or JSON payload for ordering the new stock. So the value will be the product name, JSON title, the name, SKU, JSON variant SKU, the quantity left, JSON variant inventory quantity, reorder quantity 50, and the name of the supplier email. So you see supplier email and supplier@myvendor.com. This will format the data in a clean way for the next node to have it. So the next node is the API, the HTTP request. Will send an API request to your supplier system or an email requesting new stock. Use URL API supplier.com orders. Method is get. Method is not get, it's post here. Okay. So we'll send an API request to your supplier system or an email requesting new stock. So you will have they will send the product, the SKU and the quantity. Okay. Let's continue with the next node. And after that, you'll have the Slack node that will send an internal message confirming the reorder. Channel will be purchasing and the text will be like that. Auto order created, product, JSON, product name, SKU, order quantity. So that was all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial also. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.